But I feel like, dude, aren't all the clips of me just me being like terminally in pain? Jiggle, jiggle. You know, that's the thing. You guys always tell me to fucking jiggle, but no one ever fucking clips the jiggling. No one's turned me into a fucking sex icon yet. I go out of my way, I put on a little nurse's costume, I get into bondage and cosplay for you, and I'm not even the Phase Connect sex symbol. It's Ponko! What the fuck, guys? Why am I not objectified enough? I'm like comical levels of fucking sexy at this point. You know those old cartoons where there's just a comically sexy girl walking down the sidewalk and Johnny Bravo tries to hit on them? Or some stupid fucking rabbit gropes and ogles their body? I've done everything I can to influence feminism in a negative way. So why am I still not objectified? Dizzy, you are objectively the sexiest phase gal. It doesn't mean anything if you're not saying it without me asking for it.